Hi, in this lesson, let's see how to create demand gen campaign. So I'm going into the engine, go to the new campaign, right? Click on new campaign. So create a campaign without a goal guidance. You can select according to the objective. So here I'm selecting this one and go to demand gen. So make sure you select the proper conversion actions. If you are aiming for the purchases, you can select the purchase. Okay. So I'm just removing this one. Remove. Nice. And continue. Right. Start new. So name this one. Okay. Let's name. Let's say PMV test demand gen. Right. So first is the we have named the campaign name. Next is the product feed. Here we are not using any of the product feed. Let's turn this off. I will show you in the next part how to use this product feed. So these are the bidding strategies that are available. We have maximize conversions, we have maximize clicks, and we have maximize conversion value. So maximize conversion value will be available if you have some data to this campaign. Okay. So this is the conversion goal that we have selected. So as we have selected the maximize conversion value, here we can also set the target cost per action. So here I am not giving any TCPA, right? So because this is a new campaign, it does not have any conversion data, right? So for the smart bidding strategies, it must have some historical data in order to perform it well, right? So here I'm giving the budget of 1000 rupees, right? And next is the location. If you see here, for the locations, you see, so previously we have discussed it, right? Location and language are the campaign level settings. We can give these only at the campaign level. But for the demand gen campaign, we can give this location and language for the individual ad groups as well. So this is one advanced setting that is available for the demand gen campaign. If you enable this one, you can give the location and you see here enable campaign level location and language targeting. So when you enable this one, you can give this language and location targeting at the campaign level. If you disable this one, you can give the language and location targeting for the individual ad groups. So it is up to you how you want to strategize. Okay, so here I am enabling it so that I can give this at the campaign level only. So selecting India and all languages, and here so devices we have seen, right? In the devices we have multiple targeting options, so some advanced options, so you can select them according to the strategy. So schedule and third party measurement, you see these are not a vendors, so we can ignore this one. Okay, this is not needed. So and campaign URL options, you know this, right? What is campaign URL options? And just click on or go to ad group level. So here you see, so let's give the ad group. Okay, let's give a name, PMV ad group, right? Nice. So I have told you, right? So demand gen campaign is similar to Performance Max. So the only difference is the networks. Performance Max campaign shows ads in all the Google properties, but demand gen campaign shows only in the Gmail, Discover, and YouTube. Okay. So here, similar to Performance Max campaign, here we can also give audience signal, right? Here add an audience. You see, you can give the audience signal. I am using the same audience signal that we have used previously. Okay, on the right side you see, you can also see the estimates. So this is a simple campaign type. Okay, so and the optimized targeting. So here as it is, or as we are not using any retargeting, I am going with the optimized targeting. So you can give the ad URL options if needed, ad group URL options, and next go to the ad section. So here we have single image ad, video ad, carousel image ad. We have seen all these image types and how they appear in the previous lesson, right? So for the single image ad, let's see. Okay, we can give up to 20 images. Let's add one image here. Let's see how they appear. Okay, so go to the images and let's see. Let's add any of the images here. So let's add this image, right? Cropping. So just click on save. After you add these images, make sure that you provide proper specifications for these images, right? So, and logo, it requires a logo. Let's add a logo. So let's give this as a logo, and that's it. So you see, here is the image how it will appear. So for the headline, so let's go for here and let's look for, let's add this as a headline. Read, learn and implement, like this. And for description, you can use this as a description. Okay, explore the depths of paid search tools with us. Copy and paste. So I have told you right previously how to write these ad copies. You can utilize the content available on the landing pages in order to write effective ad copies, so that there will be some relevancy in between the ads that you have written and in between the content available present on your website, right? So you can use the call to action. Obviously here, let's say, let's go for the learn more, right? And business name, let's give it as paid media varsity. Nice. Next is the final URL. Make sure that you give the proper landing page. That's it. This is simple. So we have created it, right? Single image ad. The only thing is we have created only one image. We have added only one image. So you can add up to 20 images like this, right? So let's add one more image here. So let's add this best price or this sale one. Let's add this sale one, right? Nice. And save. That's it. And here you see how these ads appear, right? So single image ad is very simple, right? So this is very simple to create. So now we have created the single image ad. Let's name this one. Okay, so let's see whether we can name it. So here, yeah, here it is, right? Single image ad. Single image ad. Next we create the uh, video ad. Let's create video ad. Shall we create video ad? Yes. So create new ad, and here let's create, first we create the carousel ad, right? We have seen what is single image ad. Let's create the carousel ad. In the carousel ad, what we have discussed, here you see you have cards here. You can add up to 10 cards in each card. Let's add one card here. So in each card you can give up to 3 images. Okay, so let's add one image here, and let's say I am giving this image. So I am giving this image. Okay, so select 3 ratios. Nice. And save. So here you can give the headline, like you see, uh, simply you can give like this one as headline. Okay, copy and paste. So it has to be below 40 characters only. Your gateway to unlocking online mastery or online skills, right? Like this you can give the headline and final URL. Nice, right? So call to action, learn more, simple and done. That's it. You have created one card, and likewise you can at least you should have 2 cards. So when it appears on the any of the placement positions, you can scroll them, right? And our ads will appear. So let's add one more card. Let's go here and let's take this one and save. So here let's add a headline like varsity expertise meets opportunity. Copy and paste. URL, this is the final URL, right? Copy and paste here. So learn more and done. That's it. You see here how these ads appear, right? So I hope you are understanding me how these ads appear on these different platforms, right? Like this, the ads appear. So this is the carousel image ad. So let's name this one carousel, right? RUSEL. Nice. So, and you need to give the logo, and you need to also give the default text for it. Learn more, learn with us, like this. And for the description, let's go for, let's add this as a description. And this is the paid media varsity, right? Nice. So like this, you can create this carousel image ad. So again, I am telling you, demand gen campaign is very simple to create. The only thing is you need to understand the concepts. So we are discussed all the concepts, right? So this is very simple. So next is the video ad. This is the carousel one, right? Yeah. Let's create, let's go for and create a new ad. And here we create the video ad. So we have discussed it, right, where the video ads appear. So let's add videos here. So add video, you see, let's add these videos only. So add this one and add this one, save, that's it. And name this one. Likewise, you can also add if you have short videos that are available or that are shown on the short section of the YouTube, right? So choose where your ads show. You can select, you see, ad formats, where you want to show your ads, whether you want to show these in the in-stream or in the shorts or in the feeds, it is up to you. So here I am selecting all this one, so I don't want to exclude any of the placements, so just close it. Okay. And next is the, if you want to add any of the video, you can obviously come here and paste its URL. We have seen how to add these URLs or how to add these videos to the campaigns, right, in the previous lessons. So you can check that videos. And next is the logo. Let's add this and save. So headline, let's give this as a headline. Okay, you can give this as headline. Copy and paste. Nice. And next is the long headline. You can give this as a long headline. Nice. Copy and paste. Description, your gateway. Copy and paste. So call to action, it is learn more, right? Yeah. Business name, media city. So this is how you can do it, right? So this is a very simple campaign type. Copy and paste. So you have understood, right, what is campaign banner? So these campaign banners for YouTube, when our ad appears, beside the ad, those banners will appear. When a user clicks on it, he will be landing to our website. Those are the campaign banners, right? You can upload the campaign banners if you have, or you can select the auto generated one. So I will explain you campaign banner, what is campaign banner in detail in the video module, right? So here I am going with the auto generate only. So this is how you can create the video ads. This is simple one. So let's see what is an error here. So here we didn't give this paid media varsity URL, the final URL. That is why it is throwing error here, right? So now everything looks good. So you have understood, right, how to create this single image ad and how to create this carousel image ads and how to create this video ads. So let's go to and review this campaign and publish it. Okay, no worries, because all of the actions in your selected conversion goals have not received any conversions in the last 7 days. So as this is a dummy account, so there is no worries. So make sure that your conversion actions are working properly, right? And just click on publish campaign, that's it. So I hope you are understanding this lesson about how to create this campaign for the demand gen. So we have created this demand gen campaign, right? Let's again create one more campaign. Now I will show you another ad formats. New campaign, create, and go for the demand gen. So make sure you give the proper conversion action, right? And remove, continue. Just click on continue. and here you see, just name this as demand gen product feed, right? So here previously we didn't turn on this product feed, right? Now let's turn on this one. Here you select the merchant center account, so you select the conversion action and you see everything is okay. Next, create a ad group. So here you name the appropriate ad group name, and here you can select the products, whether you want to target all the products or whether you want to target any of the specific products, similar to what we have seen. So as the products are here not approved, you see here this is an error. The error is because your campaign has two issues that may significantly affect your performance, because this is a dummy account. Obviously it will throw some errors, right? If you have when you are doing, make sure that you don't have any issues, right? So when you create this demand gen campaign with the product feed, okay, you see here in the ad you don't have carousel ads. You see the names are changed: image and product ads, video and product ads, products and products only ads, right? So what happens when you use this product feed along with the campaigns, the data present in the product feed will also be utilized. The data in the the headlines, the titles, you will give the titles, right? You will give the titles, descriptions, and finally URL images and extra images, price. The data present in the product feed will also be utilized for showing as ads for these campaigns or by these campaigns to the users, right? So the process is similar. Only thing is at the campaign level you need to select the product feed and you need to define what you wanted to target in those products. So this is a one advanced strategy that we can use for targeting the products of our account. So I hope you have understood this lesson. We will meet in the next one.